So I've got an interesting trike here.
Yep. I know it's not interesting.
This is a CB 750, 1974. But it looks like it came straight out of a MadMax movie. Small block 350. Customer had a little bit of an issue. Bought this engine already assembled. Said it was ready to go. Put it on the bike, fired it up. 3 of the rockers fell off. A couple of the push rods ended up coming out of the lifters. It was all kinds of a mess. Had about 4 other mechanics come out there and look at it. They couldn't figure out what was going on with it. So now I'm going to tackle it. We'll see what happens. Check it out for updates and see if we can get it running. Isn't that right, Nova? So yeah, we're going to get it running.
No, no.
What?
Is it loud?
Probably.
Nope.
You don't want to hear it?
Nope.
But we're going to get it running.
Nope. Nope. I'm not doing it.
Peace out.